Hello mga kalingap! For today's video, quick reaction po tayo dito sa naganap na 17th birthday ni Dara Bells. Pero bago ang lahat, balik tanaw lang po tayo ng konti sa naging life journey ni Dara. Si Dara po ay nakilala at natulungan ng Team Kalingap sa pamumuno ni Kuya Val at ni Kalingap Rab. At nakilala natin siya bilang si Dara, ang chinita sa bundok. Minahal natin siya dahil sa taglay niyang tapang at tatag ng loob, dahil sa murang edad ay tumayong ina sa kanyang nakababatang kapatid na si Bea. At dahil kay Kalingap Rab na subaybayan natin ang kanyang ginawang pagtulong at unti-unti ay nabago nga ang buhay ni Dara. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang 16th birthday niya kung saan ang kanyang wish ay mabuo silang magpapamilya. And ito na nga po ang highlight sa aking reaction video dahil ang kanyang wish noon ay natupad na at kasama na niya ang kanyang mga kapatid at ama sa kanyang ika-17 kaarawan. Panoorin po natin ito, guys.
Thank you very much. Hi, Vega, DM. Sir, thank you so much sa session ng araw na iba na. And again, congratulations po pala again. Mga kaibigan, we're all excited to meet and welcome the main highlight of the celebration. Let us all rise. Tuloy po tayo lahat mga kaibigan. Let us all welcome our birthday girl, Dara. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our birthday girl, Dara.
Whole town is all about summer. We have enough wine to last us until morning light. Yes, it might be true. I will live there because of the feet without
Para sa
desire.
celebration we're here, para our movie of flowers and to welcome our birthday
Now the sun
celebrant.
can wait. I know this is borrowed time. They come tonight, but still
Members of the family, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan natin again ang ating kaibigan team
too late.
Dara.
Is it really tonight, this night? Is it really too late?
Ang hindi ko para sa celebrant, please be hindi po tayo mga
Grabe, Dara, napaiyak mo na naman ako, lalo na sa part na sinayaw ni Tatay Domingo si Dara. Ito po yon, panoorin po natin, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, for her first dance. Papa, Domingo, palakpakan natin.
To the Father's house. I'm in the Father's house. I say a prayer and
For our second
be
dance,
there.
ang kanyang brother, Dia, palakpakan po.
The Father.
Aminin ninyo, naging emotional din kayo dahil kagaya ko, masaya kayong natupad ni Dara ang wish niya noon. Mabigyan ng simpleng bahay at mabuo ang pamilya. Naniniwala na ako ngayon na wishes do come true. Maraming salamat, Team Kalingap, kay Kuya Val, Kalingap Rab, at sa mga Dara Legit supporters sa walang sawang pagsuporta kay Dara. Dahil kung hindi sa inyo, hindi rin maisasagawa ang bonggang 17th birthday ni Dara Bells. Paki-like and share din po sa aking munting bahay. Maraming salamat po.
For the next shows, once again, ladies and gentlemen, ang kanyang si Dara. We're going, palakpakan po.
See it now, you're still that child. You're the glue for my pieces. With you, I know I can run. Golden days and out from the distance. 'Cause wherever you are, I come home. And all along it's only made distance. It's good and bad, still we got no reason. I've been done, I've been wounded and beaten. You, I think I found home. Like everywhere it's been, find its way back into the deep blue. I will find a way, and I can hide this moon. Turn from distance together. Do you see it now? You're still at like everywhere it's been, find its way.
Let's go, Kuya Kuya Dan! Palakpakan po!
I will find a way. I can
Next Rose, we have Alejandro Ano. Palakpakan po.
in your eyes. I can feel it in your touch. I can hear it in your voice. Though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. All these
We
broken
have Coach Ram. Palakpakan po. Next on the list, we have Kuya Carl Yamada. Palakpakan po.
with good I fought too long. Some people change when they grow old. But I don't want to
Ladies and
say
gentlemen, we have Kuya Edu. Palakpakan po.
I'm not that bold. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. We're just broken people. We'll be scared.
Next Rose, we have Edward. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Kuya Purell. Palakpakan po.
I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your touch. I can hear it in your
And now, ladies and gentlemen, celebrating her 17th birthday. At ito po, para maging siya personal ng kanyang special day and happy birthday. At siya rin po ay nagpa-birthday today. Raz, palakpakan po.
한숨 속에 섞인 감정들이 막 마주치면 괜찮아
Bagay talaga sila pero
갈피를 못 잡듯이 또 지나가는 길그 짧고 긴 시간 동안 너의 모습이 다 달라져 있어도 목적지는 생각하
Hindi ka naman discuss ni Wise. Kasi naman, kamusta yung pag-aaral? Ha? Okay? Wala naman, okay ka naman. Ang mental health mo, nag-aabot ka rin. Wala mo mga pares tayo ng birthday. Kaso, basta mo pero okay lang.
Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, the band members, our special dancers. Please join our celebrant for your group photo opportunity.
Let's go.